on these valve cover gaskets, start with the ends because it's easier that way to line these little squares up and stuff you see. These kind of connected dots or whatever. Work the way around. I will be a little bit faster about filming and doing this at the same time. Trying to make sure I get these in good. I need to get this going on this side. You know, basically how you do it. Doing a head gasket replacement. I'll be sure to make a video on that. I'm working on it right now, kinda. But I'm doing this for a short. Or whatever. But yeah, just place it in, get it in there good. I'm just tapping it down.